Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So I am back again with one more amazing video for you people. It is a classic festival makeup look which I have created today because Rakhi is coming and it's the first part for the Rakhi makeup look. So guys, in today's eye makeup look I have used the tape technique which you have seen very much in most of the eye makeup tutorials where the people use the tape, because I was getting a lot of DMs regarding that please create some eye makeup look using the tapes and all. Although I don't need it, I feel so flexible and so good without the tape, but just for you people I have done that and I hope you will like it. And yeah, but I don't appreciate it at all because professionally it's not a good thing to do. That's what I feel. So guys, before getting into the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the bell icon, like, share and comment. And now before wasting any more time, quickly get into the video. So guys, this is the look which I have created for you for Rakhi. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please do recreate this look and post it in your stories on Instagram. Do tag me guys, I will definitely repost it. I would love to do that. Until next time, take care, stay safe, stay home. God bless you all.